A share cost especially equivalent to $6.0098 a coin, which is genuinely critical. The present range, $5.9998. $6.1700, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, $6.1000. The change in a real sense was 0.0902, 1.48%. Or so they explicitly thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to Axies in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 AXS to United States dollars forecasts for August 2023, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. First and foremost, cost at $6.10, which basically is very huge. Greatest cost $6.86. Least cost $5.16, or so they thought. The normal for the month $6.09, or so they for the most part thought. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.22, change for August 2.0%, which for the most part is very critical. A share cost expectation for September 2023 in a very significant manner. At the outset, cost at $6.22, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Most extreme cost $6.84. Least cost $5.02 incredibly. The normal for the month $5.87 amazingly. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.40. Change for September 13.2% in an especially significant manner. Axis to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. Or so they certainly thought. To start with, cost at $5.40 in spite of prevalent thinking. Greatest cost $5.40. By and large, least cost $4.35. The very normal for the month $4.96. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.68. Change for October 13.3% incredibly. A share cost expectation for November 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. In the first place, cost at $4.68, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Greatest cost $4.72. Especially least cost $4.10, which generally is genuinely huge. The especially normal for the month $4.48 in an unpretentious manner. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.41. Change for November 5.8% in a truly significant manner. Axis to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Or so they in a real sense thought. Before all else, cost at $4.41. Greatest cost $4.41. Genuinely least cost $3.60, which for the most part is very critical. The normal for the month $4.07, which is genuinely critical. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.87. Change for December 12.2% in a for the most part significant manner. A share cost expectation for January 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Initially cost at $3.87. Most extreme cost $3.87. Least cost $3.14 in a quite large way. The really normal for the month $3.57, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.38, change for January 12.7%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Axis to United States dollars expectations for February 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. To start with, cost at $3.38, greatest cost $4.19. Least cost $3.38. The kind of normal for the month $3.72. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.92. Change for February 16.0% in an especially significant manner. A share cost expectation for WOC 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.92 in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost $3.92. Least cost $3.14. The kind of normal for the month $3.59, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.38. Change for spring 13.8% in a fundamentally enormous manner. Axis to United States dollars expectations for April 2024 in a significant manner. Initially cost at $3.38, which really is genuinely critical. Greatest cost $3.38. Least cost $2.64, which is genuinely huge. The genuinely normal for the month $3.06 in a significant manner. A share cost figure toward the month's end $2.84, change for April 16.0%. Which in a real sense is very huge. A share cost expectation for May 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Before all else cost at $2.84 and a by and large significant manner. Most extreme cost $2.84. Exceptionally least cost $2.22. Which is very huge. The normal for the month $2.57. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $2.39. Change for May 15.8%. Which for the most part is very critical. Access to United States dollars expectations for June 2024 in an unpretentious manner. In the first place cost at $2.39 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost $2.39. Beautiful least cost $1.97. The extremely normal for the month $2.22. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.12. Change for June 11.3% in a sort of significant manner. A share cost expectation for July 2024, or so they really thought. At the outset cost at $2.12. Most extreme cost $2.12. Really least cost $1.66 in an unobtrusive way. The in every practical sense, normal for the month $1.92 in a by and large significant manner. A share cost figure toward the month's end $1.78. Change for July 16.0%. Which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Axie swapping scale extremely equivalent to 0.1664 Axies per $1 in an especially enormous manner. Today's reach 0.1621 0.1667, which explicitly is very huge. The past AS nearby 0.1639. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0025, plus 1.53%. Dollar to a share gauge for August 2023, or so they in every way that really matters thought. In the first place cost at 0.164 Axies, which is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 0.194, especially least 0.146. Which is very huge. The normal for the month 0.166 incredibly. The United States dollars to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.161, change for August 1.8%, in a kind of significant manner. United States dollars to Axie expectations for September 2023, which is genuinely huge. In the first place cost at 0.161 Axies, or so they thought. Greatest cost 0.199. Least 0.146, or so they in a real sense thought. The normal for the month 0.173. The United States dollars to Axie gauge toward the month's end 0.185, change for September 14.9% in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to a share figure for October 2023 in a significant manner. At the outset cost at 0.185 Axies, in spite of prevalent thinking. Most extreme cost 0.